What's up YouTube, M West back here again. So there were a couple of questions yesterday after I did my unboxing video of the DJI Osmo Extension Rod, and so I wanted to come back and answer a couple of those questions because I think if one person has a question, multiple people are going to have the exact same question. So those questions were one about how to connect if you didn't have the Wi-Fi module, and then the other question was am I experiencing any lag? And to tell you the truth, I hadn't even connected my phone up to the extension rod to test it out. But I will kind of demonstrate, go through those things and let you guys see for yourself. And then put your feedback or comments below. Let me know if you're experiencing lag, and if you aren't, let me know. And then if you guys have a solution or any advice, I'd like to hear about that as well. So I'm going to take off the wireless module and talk about how I actually, the other methods of connection. So on the DJI Osmo Pocket, you have two ways to connect. You can connect from this middle section here, and you can connect via the, I guess the little clips that they come with. It comes with the USB-C, and it comes with one for your iPhone, and then there's also this USB-C connection down here at the bottom, and that's how I normally connect when I was pulling data from it. So what I have here is a USB-C connection or adapter here, and then it has a USB port at the bottom, and I use my standard iPhone cable and I just plug it up. I plug it to the bottom. And guys, from my experience, what I'm feeling about the extension rod, I love it, but right now it feels a little stiff. So it always feels like, you know, I'm seconds away from breaking it or something. So not that it's flimsy or anything, but it's so stiff, I guess, that how it came from the factory. So let me get into my phone here, right? And then I will turn it on, hold the function button, jump into the DJI app. There we go. It's all connected. So while I understand the need to maybe use the, let me close this down because all this stuff is getting in the way. So while I think having the wire isn't too bad, it definitely isn't for me. Using the wireless app, I think is the wireless module is the way to go. But now would be a good time. So I was messing around with this earlier, and it seems like there's always going to be some type of lag, but if you kind of switch your settings to where it does the fast follow, it kind of gets rid of the lag. And so I'm thinking any lag that you might be seeing could be from, you know, the follow mode that you have set up. So let's see if I can change it here. Oops. Oh no. Do I have this upside down? No, I don't. So there we go. So when you're using this, if you click on the little camera underscore right there, you can kind of see the different modes that it's on. And so once you put it on normal or slow follow, I changed it to fast follow, and it didn't seem like I was experiencing that much lag, you know, what I'm showing on the camera. And so as you change it, you can see the icon change there. But it doesn't tell you what it's changing to. So like, let's say you're not using your phone and you're just looking at the small screen on the DJI Osmo Pocket, you can actually see the names as it changes. So maybe they update that to where you can see it, or maybe you don't even have to have this out, because if I change it here, it's changing, but I can't tell what it is. All right, so let me disconnect it from here. Turn this off for a second. Alright, so I'm holding the function button. I'll bring this down some. And I don't mind the USB-C adapter. When I'm pulling data from it, it works great. But for me, the way to go is definitely going to be the wireless module. So it's taking me a second here. Let's see. Turn the phone this way. There we go. Osmo Pocket found. Join. Yeah, this is the way I like to use it. So let's change it again. It's on fast follow, tilted lock. That's weird. Ah, interesting. So when I click it there, it displays the name, but when I'm clicking it here, it does not. Follow, tilted, FPV. So as you can see, I don't know a better way to kind of show if there's lag, but that looks pretty fast to me. And then there's slow follow, which, you know, it's following a little bit slower, so there is a bit of lag there. But I'm not getting a lot of lag, so let me know what type of lag you guys are getting, or point me to the video, or let me see what you guys are seeing. But you know, so far so good. I really like this extension pole. I think it's one of the must-have items for the DJI Osmo Pocket. I feel like I have a little bit more utility with it. I really like the feel of it, the compact design. I can throw it into my camera bag and take with me pretty easily. But for me, the Osmo Action is still the way to go. I tend to not worry about that camera, and this one I definitely like using, and this is, I think, going to add some more utility to it. And I still don't know necessarily if I'm going to use this screen, maybe if I have it stationary, but generally if I have this out, I don't want to have my phone at all, and that's why I have additional cameras, so I don't have to utilize my phone, but maybe for framing things up or getting certain shots. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and again, thanks for checking out my first video. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'm out. Peace.